What's up, AI enthusiasts? Welcome back to Techie Talks AI. I am your host Abhijit. This week has been absolutely insane for AI and automation. We are talking about OpenAI dropping their most revolutionary tool yet. Meta using your personal conversations to target ads, and China deploying nearly 300,000 new robots. I'm telling you, the AI agent revolution is happening right now. And if you are not paying attention, you are going to get left behind. Welcome back to AI Automation Weekly. I am your host Abhijit, bringing you the most important developments that happened in just the last 7 days. Today is October 8th, 2025, and let me tell you, this week has been a complete game changer for the AI industry. We have got 7 massive stories that are literally reshaping how we think about AI automation. From OpenAI's Agent Builder that lets you create multi-agent workflows without coding, to Meta's controversial decision to use your AI chats for personalized advertising. Plus, Google just made AI accessible to millions more people in India, and China is leading a global robot revolution that's frankly a little scary. Let's start with the biggest announcement of the week. OpenAI's AgentKit and Agent Builder launched on October 5th, and this is honestly a ChatGPT moment for AI agents. This isn't just another AI tool, people. This is OpenAI saying, hey, remember how we democratized AI with ChatGPT? Now we are doing the same thing for AI agents. So what exactly is AgentKit? It's a complete platform that includes Agent Builder, a visual canvas where you can drag and drop to create multi-agent workflows, ChatKit, embeddable chat interfaces for your agents, Connector Registry, central hub for managing data connections, advanced evaluation tools for testing your agents. And get this, it's all included with standard API pricing. No separate fees, no enterprise-only features. OpenAI is clearly making a play to own the agent ecosystem. Now let's talk about Meta's Bombshell announcement from October 1st that honestly has me a little concerned. Meta announced they are going to start using your conversations with Meta AI to personalize your Facebook and Instagram feeds, and here is the kicker, your advertisements. This goes live December 16th. Think about this for a second. If you tell Meta AI you are interested in hiking, suddenly your feed is full of hiking groups, trail recommendations, and ads for hiking boards. Now, Meta says they won't use sensitive conversations about health, religion, or politics. But honestly, who defines what's sensitive? And with 1 billion monthly Meta AI users, we are talking about an unprecedented level of personalization based on private conversations. The implications here are huge. This could be the future of advertising, or it could be a privacy nightmare. Time will tell. Meanwhile, Google is taking a completely different approach with their AI expansion into India. On October 7th, Google announced that AI mode now supports 7 new Indian languages: Bengali, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, and Urdu. Plus, they are launching Search Live, where you can talk to Google and get real-time help using your camera. This is massive for digital inclusion. We are talking about potentially 300 plus million people who can now access advanced AI in their native language. India is becoming the first country outside the US to get Search Live, and Google is clearly betting big on the Indian market. With India's AI market projected to hit $17 billion by 2027, This makes perfect strategic sense. But here is something that should grab everyone's attention. China deployed 295,000 new industrial robots in 2024, bringing their total to over 2 million active robots. That's more than half of all industrial robots deployed globally. With their population declining by 1.39 million people last year, China is using robotics to maintain their manufacturing dominance. They are already testing humanoid robots for elderly care with orders of 10,000 units. Meanwhile, the US is still debating AI regulation. The competitive implications here are staggering. On the enterprise side, IBM and Anthropic announced a strategic partnership on October 6th that could reshape enterprise AI development. Claude is being integrated into IBM's new AI-first IDE, and early results show 45% productivity gains among 6,000 IBM developers. This isn't just about coding. It's about bringing enterprise-grade AI with proper governance and security to Fortune 500 companies. The message is clear. While startups are moving fast, enterprises need AI that comes with proper guardrails, security, and compliance. Speaking of enterprise AI, Microsoft is making a bold move by automatically installing Copilot on Windows devices starting this month. This affects anyone with Microsoft 365 desktop apps outside the European Economic Area. IT administrators can opt out, but for most users, Copilot is coming whether you want it or not. This is Microsoft's play to make AI ubiquitous. They are betting that once people have Copilot, they'll discover use cases they never imagined. Now let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. The AI agents market has grown from $300 million in 2024 to $900 million in 2025. That's 3 times growth in 1 year. 78% of organizations are now using AI, up from 55% last year. And 71% of companies are using generative AI regularly for business functions. We are not in the experimental phase anymore. AI agents are becoming core business infrastructure. The numbers don't lie. Agentic AI is projected to grow at 36% CAGR through 2028. We are looking at a fundamental shift in how work gets done. So what does all this mean for you? First, if you are not experimenting with AI agents yet, start now. OpenAI's Agent Builder makes it accessible and the productivity gains are real. Second, be mindful of your AI conversations, especially with platforms like Meta that are using them for targeting. Third, the AI automation revolution is accelerating. The companies and countries moving fastest are gaining significant competitive advantages. The next few months are going to be crucial. We are moving from AI as a tool to AI as a workforce, and that changes everything. What do you think about Meta using AI conversations for advertising? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit that subscribe button for next week's AI update, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.